Open Shinesoft from server PC. Step 1, back for server. Let's go to user PC. Click to open Shinesoft localhost to act as server PC. Step 2, restore backup from server to this user. Backup carried out in this user. Now reopen localhost from desktop as server independent from main server PC. Now this host will act as server PC even main server offline. Do some work anywhere in software. And then you want to carry this working backup to main server PC 2, then repeat step 1 and 2 in reverse mode is. Step 1, reverse back to main server PC. Let's go main server PC and left this PC as user. Open Shinesoft from server PC. The work done anywhere in user software which was running as local server, has been shifted to this main server PC now. Let's got restore that data from backup as. Step 2, reverse restore backup of user to main server PC. Backup carried out to main server PC. Now reopen server software from desktop as main server. Open Shinesoft from server PC.
Wayo. Now start working with main server as original server. Enjoy full of heart.